Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your hosting or domain in Google Search Console. All right, let's begin. First, log into your hosting or dashboard and identify the domain you want to verify. Next, open Google Search Console by searching for it on Google and click the first result. Once you're there, click the drop-down menu and select Add Property. Choose the Domain option and paste your domain name. Then click Continue. Google will ask you to verify your domain ownership using DNS records. This is the easiest and most reliable method. Now switch back to Hostinger, find your domain, and go to Manage, then DNS Zone Editor or DNS Records. You need to add a new TXT record. If there are any old TXT records for verification, delete them first. Then create a new TXT record with as the name and paste the verification code you copied from Google Search Console into the value field. Save or add the record. Return to Google Search Console and click Verify. It may take a few minutes, but once verified, you will see confirmation that you own the domain. So that's basically how you can verify your hosting or domain in Google Search Console. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.